Hello everyone and welcome to Learn German. Today we are covering something really important, the 10 core rules of German grammar. These are the rules that unlock the entire language. Once you understand these 10 things, you will have a solid foundation to build everything else on. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, the noun gender. The very first rule is absolutely fundamental. Every noun in German has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. Der is for masculine, for example, der Mann. Die is for feminine, for example, die Frau. Und das ist for neuter, for example, das Kind. The rule is never learn a noun without its article. Always der Tisch, never just Tisch. Why? Because the article changes later depending on the case and the sentence structure. If you don't know the article, you will get lost. So always learn them together, article and noun, as one unit. Rule 2. Plural is always die, no matter what the gender. This one is beautifully simple. Der Mann, die Männer, die Frau, die Frauen, das Kind, die Kinder. Plural, always die, no exceptions, whether it's masculine, feminine, or neuter. The moment you go plural, you have to use die, no exceptions. Enjoy it, it's one of the rare, truly exception-free rules in German. Now let's talk sentence structure. Rule number 3. The verb always goes second. This is one of the biggest differences between German and English. Ich lerne Deutsch. Verb is in the second position. Heute lerne ich Deutsch. Verb is again in the second position. Morgen gehe ich nach Hause. Verb is in the second position. You can move anything to the front, a time expression, a place, an object. But the verb always stays in second position. Always. This is called verb second word order. Rule 4. Verb conjugation. In English, almost everything stays the same. I learn, you learn, we learn. In German, the verb changes depending on who is doing the action. Ich lerne, du lernst, sie es lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen. Learn this pattern once. It works for most regular verbs. Rule 5. Sein and haben. These two verbs are the most important in the entire German language. You need them for everything: the present, the past, descriptions, possession. Ich bin, du bist, sie es ist, wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind. Ich habe, du hast, sie es hat, wir haben, ihr habt, sie haben. If you have to memorize only two verbs, make it these. Rule 6. First two cases that every beginner needs: the nominative versus the accusative. Now we get into cases, and I know it might sound scary, but here's the truth. For beginners, only one thing changes. As you can see in the table, only der changes in accusative. It changes to den. Everything else remains the same. That means only the masculine article changes. This is your entry point into German cases, and with just this one rule, you can already say a huge amount. Rule 7. Negation. Nicht versus kein. How do you say not or no in German? There are two words and it matters which one you use. Nicht is used mostly for verbs and adjectives. Das ist nicht gut. Kein is used for nouns. Ich habe kein Geld. Remember, whenever you're negating a noun, use kein. Negating anything else, use nicht. Rule 8. Asking questions. Two simple ways to form any question in German. Number 1, with a question word. That means a W word, a verb plus subject. Wo ist der Bahnhof? And the second way is by forming a yes-no question. The verb comes first. Sprichst du Deutsch? There's a simple rule. Flip the verb to the front and you have a yes-no question. Simple. Rule 9 is about using modal verbs in German. There are 6 words that will instantly supercharge your German. 6 of these are können, müssen, wollen, sollen, dürfen, mögen. And here are the examples. Können. Ich kann sprechen. I can speak. Müssen. Ich muss lernen. I must learn. Wollen. Ich will Kaffee. I want coffee. Sollen. Du sollst üben. You should practice. Dürfen. Man darf nicht parken. You may not park. Mögen. Ich mag Deutsch. I like German. Do remember the modal verb goes second. The main verb in infinitive goes to the end. And this is also our next and the last rule. The final rule that ties everything together. When you have two verbs in a sentence, the modal verb goes second and the infinitive goes last. Ich kann Deutsch sprechen. Wir müssen jetzt gehen. Er möchte Kaffee trinken. Once again, whenever there are two verbs in a sentence, the modal goes second and the infinitive goes at the last. Now let's summarize all the 10 rules. The first one, noun gender, always learn der, die, das together with the noun. Nummer 2, plural is always die. There are no exceptions. Number 3, verb always goes second, no matter what comes first. Number 4, verbs need to be conjugated. They change depending on the subject. Number 5, sein and haben, the most important verbs in German. Learn their tables. Just learn them cold. Number 6, there's only one change in case of accusative. Der changes to den. Everything else stays the same. Number 7, nicht versus kein. Use nicht for verbs and adjectives, kein for nouns. Number 8, flip the verb to the front for a yes-no question. Number 9, learn the 6 modal verbs. Remember, modal verb stays in the second position and infinitive at the last. This is also the final rule. By the way, if you're serious about learning German, don't forget, we offer completely free and well-structured courses for beginners and intermediate learners. You can learn at your own pace, access plenty of materials, and join a community full of real success stories. Just check out the links below and start your journey today. See you in the next lesson and happy learning! If you liked this video and want more of these, do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get a free worksheet by joining our Patreon page. Danke! Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, Do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!